Hello! Welcome to Slow English. My name is Mina. Today we will visit London together. London is a big city. London is in the United Kingdom. You can listen and relax. You can listen while you walk. You can listen while you clean. There is no stress. We speak slowly. We speak simply. Are you ready? Good. Let's go to London. London is the capital city of the United Kingdom. The United Kingdom is a country. It is in Europe. London is very old. London is also very modern. There is a big river in London. The river is called the Thames. The Thames is beautiful. Many people walk by the river. The weather in London is often cool. Sometimes it rains, but London is always interesting. Millions of people live in London. Millions of people visit London every year. London is famous for many things. We will visit some of them today. I am in London. I am a visitor. I do not know the streets. I see a local person. I ask a question. Excuse me, how do I get to Big Ben? Repeat. Excuse me, how do I get to Big Ben?
Excuse me, how do I get to Big Ben?
You go straight, then turn left. Big Ben is near Parliament.
Thank you very much. How do I get to Big Ben? You go straight, then turn left. Now I am lost again. I ask another question. Excuse me, how do I get to Buckingham Palace? Repeat. Excuse me, how do I get to Buckingham Palace?
Excuse me, how do I get to Buckingham Palace?
Go down this street. It is on your right side.
Thank you so much.
Where do you want to go in London? Think about this. Now we are in Westminster. Westminster is a special part of London. I see a very big clock tower. This is Big Ben. Big Ben is very famous. Many people take photos of Big Ben. The clock is very old. The clock is still working. Near Big Ben, there is a big building. This is the Houses of Parliament. The government of the United Kingdom works here. Many politicians work in this building. There is also a bridge. The bridge is called Westminster Bridge. The bridge crosses the River Thames. From the bridge, you can see Big Ben and Parliament. Many tourists stand on the bridge. They take photos. They look at the river. The river is calm. The buildings are old and beautiful. This place feels important. This place feels historical. Now I want to describe places. I use simple words. This is a famous place. Repeat. This is a famous place. This building is very old. Repeat. This building is very old. Many people visit here. Repeat. Many people visit here. The view is beautiful. Repeat. The view is beautiful. I see another visitor. I talk to them.
This is a famous place, yes?
Yes, Big Ben is beautiful. I love this place.
Many people visit here every day.
I can see why. It is wonderful.
Do you like to visit old places? Do you like old buildings? We leave Westminster. We walk to Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace is very far from Big Ben. We take a taxi. The taxi driver is friendly. He drives slowly. We see many streets. We see many shops. We see many people. Finally, we arrive at Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace is very big. It is very grand. It is very beautiful. The king lives here. The royal family lives here. Outside the palace, there are guards. The guards wear red uniforms. The guards wear tall black hats. The guards do not smile. They stand very still. They look very serious. There are many tourists here. They take photos with the guards. They take photos of the palace. The palace gates are gold. They are very beautiful. There are gardens around the palace. The gardens are very green. This is one of the most famous places in the world. Now I ask simple questions about Buckingham Palace. What is this building? Repeat. What is this building? Who lives here? Repeat. Who lives here? I ask a guard a question. The guard is friendly. What is this building?
This is Buckingham Palace. The king lives here.
How old is this building?
This building is very old, almost 300 years old.
Thank you. What is the most famous place in your country? Think about this. We leave Buckingham Palace. Now we go to the underground. The underground is the subway. People call it the tube. The tube is very fast. The tube goes under the city. We go to a station. The station is called Oxford Circus. In the station, I buy a ticket. I go to a ticket machine. The ticket machine is very easy. I touch the screen. I choose my destination. I put money in the machine. The machine gives me a ticket. How much is this ticket?
£3.50.
Thank you. We go down the stairs. Many people are on the stairs. The platform is busy. There are many people waiting. A train comes. It is red and blue. We get on the train. The train moves very fast. We go under London. We see different stations. Each station has a name. The names are interesting. We get off at Leicester Square Station. This is the center of London. I want to teach you travel words. Where is the station? Repeat. Where is the station? I need a ticket. Repeat. I need a ticket. How much is a ticket? Repeat. How much is a ticket? What time is the next train? Repeat. What time is the next train? I ask a worker in the station. Excuse me, where is the station?
You are at the station. Which station do you want?
I need a ticket to Big Ben.
Big Ben Station. That is 5 stops away.
How much is a ticket?
£4.
Thank you. Do you use the train in your city? Do you like trains? We are very tired now. We want to rest. We see a small cafe. It is very old. It has brown wooden doors. We go inside. It is warm. It smells like tea and coffee.
Hello, what can I get you?
I would like tea, please.
I would like coffee, please.
With milk?
Yes, milk, please.
No milk, just black coffee.
Very good. I will bring this in.
We sit and wait. The cafe is quiet. It is peaceful. The waiter brings the tea and coffee. The tea is hot. The coffee smells wonderful. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Enjoy.
We drink slowly. We look at the street outside. London life moves around us, but here in the cafe, we are quiet. This is very British. Tea time is important in the United Kingdom. In London, people are polite. Polite English is important. Please. Repeat. Please. Thank you. Repeat. Thank you. You are welcome. Repeat. You are welcome. Excuse me. Repeat. Excuse me. In a restaurant, we say, I would like tea, please. Repeat. I would like tea, please. Could I have milk, please? Repeat. Could I have milk, please? Thank you very much. Repeat. Thank you very much. British people use please and thank you very often. This is polite behavior. If you are not polite, people will not like you. But if you are polite, people will help you. Now we review. We review all the important phrases. Slow first, then normal speed.
1. Excuse me, how do I get to Big Ben? 2. This is a famous place. 3. Who lives here? 4. Where is the station? 5. I would like tea, please. 1. Excuse me, how do I get to Big Ben? You go straight, then turn left. 2. This is a famous place. Many people visit here. 3. Who lives here? The king lives here. 4. Where is the station? It is down this street. 5. I would like tea, please. With milk, please. These are the phrases we learned today. They are very useful in London. Now we have a quiz. I say a sentence with a blank. You think of the answer. Excuse me, how do I get to Big Ben? This is a famous place. The king lives in Buckingham Palace. Where is the station? I would like tea, please. You did very well. These are difficult questions. Words we saw today. Practice these words. London, capital, United Kingdom, river, Thames, Big Ben, Parliament, government, Westminster Bridge, Buckingham Palace, king, guards, uniform, palace, station, underground, tube, train, platform, cafe, tea, coffee, waiter, polite. These words are important. You will see them when you talk about London. You did great work today. You learned about London. You learned directions. You learned to ask questions. You learned polite English. This was a long lesson, but you listened the whole time. I am proud of you. Keep listening to slow English every day, even for a few minutes. When you listen every day, you get better. Your English gets stronger. You can visit London one day. You can use these words. You can talk to people. I believe in you. You can do this. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Goodbye.